In this lesson, we are going to understand how to load data in Google Sheets from our Excel file. So let's go to Google Sheets. Here we have our Google Sheets. The URL is docs.google.com/spreadsheets. And let's create a new blank spreadsheet. So I'll click on the plus icon to create a new blank spreadsheet. Wait for it to load up. And here we need to import our data from our Excel file. So we'll wait for this to load up and then go to the option of file at the top. Let's click on file. Before doing that, let's just give it a name. Let's call this Eurostores data and hit enter. So now we have given our sheets a name. We'll go to file. Under file, we have import. Click on import to import the Excel file that you have on your desktop. So I'll go to upload. Under upload, I'll select the file that I want to import. I'll click on this and select the location of my file. So let's go to desktop, find Google Data Studio, and here we have our file. We have Euromart Stores. Click on OK, and it will upload the file to our Google Sheets. Once it does that, it will ask you, do you want to create a new spreadsheet out of the data that you imported? Do you want to insert a new sheet or replace the current one? Let's replace the current one because this is a blank spreadsheet and there's nothing that we have here. So I'll click on replace and import my data. Once you click on import data, Google Sheets will try to import the entire data that you have in your Excel file into Google Sheets. Wait for it to load up and you will have your entire data here. Here we have our entire data loaded up in Google Sheets. So no need to copy paste the data from Excel to Google Sheets. This is an easier way to import your entire data. Now let's just check if we have everything here. We have our order ID, date, customer, country, state, and the last column should be feedback. So here we have our last column and that is feedback. So now we have successfully imported our entire data into Google Sheets. And this is what we will be using as our data source to connect to our report. That's it for this lesson and I'll see you in the next one.